It is day 3 here at Fabtech 2022. Would you like to make production runs and repetitive projects easier and more efficient? We are here with Pat Schmidt.
This is the SC-150 high production circular cold saw. Capable of 5 inches, 900 thousandths is the maximum capacity, anywhere between 2 inches, and that is the maximum cutting capacity for the machine. As you see, we do vertical hold down plus the side clamping, so that we're clamping in 3 positions all the time on the material. High production machine, meaning it's going to turn around and cut this material at a much faster, quicker pace than we can ever do with a bandsaw. You go on, the machine itself is a replaceable carbide saw blade. The saw blade itself is not a sharpenable entity. Once it's done, you throw it away. Have the part to start the blade. Most of the blades are capable of anywhere between 3,000 and 10,000 cuts.
Make precise cuts and production runs with the DoALL SC-150A cold saw. Boost your profitability and efficiency. Stop by our booth, BC15501, and sign up for one of our giveaways. That's BC15501. And it's in the hall, BC.